One of the other things that we are working on is also to be able to identify what sort of algorithms and what sort of modeling pathways would be efficient and would be more accurate for a new data set. So we built a system called Delphi in which it tries to solve a lot of predictive problems in different domains for different data sets, and it optimizes the entire pathway, the pathway or the pipeline that I mentioned. It optimizes the entire pipeline and the pathways and sees which method and what parameters and in that whole process worked well for that data, and it remembers that and stores that in a repository. So when the new data, and it does that for a number of data sets, and it stores all those information in a repository. So when the new data set comes along, we are then able to match, by trying a couple of things on that new data set, we are then able to match which data set does it resemble closest to in terms of the performance space, or in terms of what algorithms, what processes, what parameters work for this data set, which other data set it closely resembles to, and then we are able to propose what parameters, what algorithms should this data set be processed with. It's sort of like a Netflix recommender system, where if you watch these movies and if you like those, I would like to find other people that watched movies just like you, and they might have liked something else, and I would propose those movies to you. So here we are trying to build a recommender system when we have a new data set, to be able to recommend a whole processing pipeline, or the whole pathway, if you will, to make a recommendation.